Hello friends, I am Ashish Kumar Gupta with my teammate Ritik Gupta. So we are here to explain the project on the police siren. So let's start. Let's click on the Proteus 8.0. Now click on the systematic capture. So first of all, we have to select the main components of our police siren. So our first component is NE555. Double click on it. You can see here it gets selected. Now second component 1N4001. Double click on it. Third component cap pop. It's also get selected. Fourth component register, and the last one is sound. We selected our all components. Now let's start. First we select NA555, placed it here, and one is here. Now select the two resistors, rotate it at 90 degree, placed it, one is here and another one is here, and one capacitor here. Now do the X mirror with our NA555 and same with this. Now connect them all. First this, now connect with this and this. Now do same thing with this. Now connect. Now change the property first. Click on edit properties. It is of 68K. Same value is also this. $68K, and this value is 10 microfarad. Now connect 8 with upside, 4 upside, and 1 downside, and connect 2 and 6 with each other and drag this upside, because we can place it between the 7 and 6 like this. Now select the 194001, place it here and join them. Now do the same thing with this. Connect 8 here, 4 here, and 1 here. Select one resistor, place it here, and connect it with the 3, and this goes to 5. Just a minute. Do it properly because we need some space here. Connect. Now select some, connect this 2 and 6 again, and select some more resistor here, here, and one capacitor here, and here it also. Now this connect this all 5 and this with the this, and connected, connected. Now this connect with between 7 and 6. Now change its properties, click on edit properties, 8.2, same did with this, 8.2. Now change its value also, 10 nanofarad, and this one is 100 nano. Now select a sounder, place it here, rotate it, rotate, and connect it like this, and this will go, and this wire is goes to 3. Like this, and select. Now goes to generator mode, select DC and put it here and rotate it so we can connect it properly. Now connect them and change its property. It is 12 volts. Now go to the terminal mode, select ground, and place it here. Now connect them. Now we can see our whole circuit here, and let's start and click on the play button, and we can see that here it is working our now we can see that here it is our working police siren. Thanks to all for seeing our this project. Thank you very much. Thank you.